Hello blind friends, it's me again, Ari Hendarno. Today we will be talking about how to get the lowest common multiple shared by two numbers.
Membahas bagaimana mencari nilai KPK dari dua buah angka.
What teaching aid should we prepare? First, we need two pieces of paper to write the numbers that we will try to find the LCM, lowest common multiple of.
Akan kita cari nilai KPK-nya dan kita juga bisa menuliskan
We can make the numbers in Braille above the Arabic numbers we have written.
di atas angka yang kita tuliskan. Lalu kita
Then, we use some bits to count the multiplication of the number we want to find the lowest common multiple of. We use bits and pins, two different items, to make it easier for us to find the lowest common multiple shared by two different numbers, the bits and pins. Along with all other tools that we use are better to be in contrasting colors, so our low vision friends can tell the difference by looking at the contrast of the colors. Here I use cupcake paper cups to put the bits and the pins representing the multiplication of the two numbers, so that it will be easier for us to find the lowest common multiple. I also use a flannel cloth so the paper cups can stay still. So, how to find the lowest common multiple? Let's try. For example, we will write the two numbers that we will find the lowest common multiple of, which are 6 and 4. We will write number 6 in Braille above the Arabic number, then number 4 in Braille above the Arabic number.
KPK-nya nanti. Dan juga di sini saya menggunakan kain flanel agar mangkuk kertasnya tidak mudah bergerak.
Let's start with number 6. We can put the multiplication by 6 here, in the cups beside the number 6.
Kita menuliskan dua buah angka yang akan kita cari KPK-nya yaitu 6 dan 4. Dan kita tuliskan angka 6 di atasnya dengan Braille, lalu angka 4 di atasnya dengan Braille. Kita mulai dari angka 6. Kita bisa menaruh kelipatan 6 di sini.
In the first cup, we can put 6 beads to represent the number 6.
Yang pertama, di mangkuk pertama kita bisa menaruh 6 buah manik-manik sebagai representasi dari angka 6.
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in the next cup, the second one, the multiplication by 6 is 12. To make 12, we add 6 and 6 and we get 12, or 6 times 1 in the first cup and 6 times 2 in the second cup equals 12.
Atau 6 untuk yang pertama dikali 1 itu 6 dan dikali 2 untuk kelipatannya adalah 12. Kita bisa taruh.
We can put 12 bits here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Next, for the third cup, the third multiplication by 6 is 18.
Yang selanjutnya adalah di mangkuk yang ketiga, kelipatan 6 yang ketiga adalah 18. Kita bisa taruh 18.
So we put 18 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
15, 16, 17, 18.
In the fourth cup, the multiplication by 6, we can put 24 bits.
Menaruh manik-manik sebanyak 24.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
21, 22, 23, 24.
Next, is the number 4. We can start with the first cup. Beside the number 4, we can put 4 pins to represent the number 4.
Di sebelah angka 4, kita taruh 4 buah pin sebagai representasi dari angka 4-nya.
1, 2, 3, 4.
3, 4.
In the next cup, the second multiplication by 4 is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Next, the third multiplication by 4 is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
9, 10, 11, 12.
The last one, the multiplication by 4 in the fourth cup is 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
16.
After all cups are filled, we can start explaining the concept of the lowest common multiple. To get the lowest common multiple, we have to find the common value from the multiplication of the two Arabic numbers. In the first cup, multiplication by 6, there are 6 bits.
Harus mencari nilai persekutuan dari kelipatan dua buah angka yang sudah kita tulis ini, yang kita cari KPK-nya. Di sini di mangkuk yang pertama kelipatan 6 ada 6 buah, lalu di mangkuk
in another cup below, there are 4 pins. Here, there are 12 bits. Below, there are 8 pins. In this cup, we have 18 bits. There are 12 pins here. And here we have 24 bits. And 16 pins here. Comparing the multiplication of the two numbers represented by bits and pins, we recognize that there is the same number. And we can start matching from the smallest number.
Kita tahu ada jumlah yang sama dan kita bisa memulai mencocokkan dari
Here we have 4 pins and here 6 bits, which is different.
Di sini 6 tidak sama. Di sini
Here we have 8 pins and 12 bits, different. But here we have 12 pins.
Di sini ada 12.
Okay, we have found it. 12 is the common value, and this number is the lowest common multiple of 6 and 4. We can deduce that the LCM of 6 and 4 is 12.
Terkecil dari 6 dan 4.
That's quite easy, right? Thank you.
Dari 6 dan 4 adalah 12. Mudah bukan? Terima kasih.